Kamanta Kinong Eastern West Khasi District Kandon ka Independence Day run kabalong 10 kilometer bat 1 kilometer bat kandon ru ka cycling kabalong 10 kilometer. The office of the DC Eastern West Khasi District Maira in collaboration with the office of District Sports Officer West Khasi District Nongston te kapo kadai 15 August 2023 7 am apo Mairang. Kategori kandon junior boys and girl 18 years below kat prasnem shapo dan senior men and women kat kandais nem sejrong. Cash prize kinai cash prize bagi certificate tenam taka 1 kilometer first 3000 second 2000 and third 1000 both boys and girl kaju ka prize money. Naka 10 kilometer senior men and senior women first prize 5000 second prize 3000 third prize 2000. Consolation prize from 4 to 10 position kinai Mar Sanspa Marway. 10 kilometer men and women cycling. First prize 5000, second prize 3000 and third prize 2000. And one special prize each category of 1000 will be awarded. Participants taking part in this run and cycling will have to bring along with their original birth certificate or Aadhaar card for verification during registration card. Kan mau ban rai ke ID jong pi ban long ban register ban verify agatu kapor ban register. Road kandai 10 km nam ta ka jingmara starting point gede DC office tatater kan penkut be shapo DC office dan ka 5 km ustang na DC office dan lomso close straight to Peter Plum then turn back to DC office. All entries should be submitted to the office of the Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi District Mairang during office hour on or before 11 August 2023. Last date kandai kharwai tarik jong manai August arjar fly kan mau bha ki bakwa banashimanta ban late submit ya ki kerteng jong phi hak office jong Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi District hal aneshwa ka kharwai tarik jong manai August arjar fly. Entry received after closing date and time will not be accepted. Participant should be resident of Eastern West Khasi District only. La sha tang ye kinong Eastern West Khasi District ye ki Barambar District amsha ban yashim banta. Please note all participants register and taking part in the 10 km and 5 km race will have to report at the premises of DC office Eastern West Khasi District Mairang on 15 August 2023 at 6 am sharp. Pyaban po hekatika pork balong nriu baje thick step namta ke be shimanta kamara ekolong 1 km but 10 km. Tangi degi jimpidep khle juan.